Nsemhunu Nkoaa and omo to wa omudi. Ne ya teme tax. Radio peace. Ya teme tax. I say isi mbobo asa sikana no emfa maye kwotwaba ema yenu of some members of parliament who behaved like nothing, but people who do not cherish and appreciate our toil, our hustle and tussle of queuing to vote for them. Sankrofo bi na mo from MPs no. I am adwon second o but basa mo fa so o. E mo mu bia nya obia. Asam ne yem pese ye be kentra na what the 5,000 vote the DMP. Me TV so me wo 8,000k. Me no one MP. No, you see, ye giant Nsemhunu no di wo kroma. MPs ni bebre wo mu di Nsemhunu. Samfuni Nsemhunu abodam sam ena osori a wo mu ye MP na wo mu di nkwa asem krom ha obi atimi ka hwenkyera wo mo. Because me ye MP nonsense. Wuni ni wo senkwana to abama ho. Wuni ene wo se do you know the number of people who queued to vote for you? Yeah, and your fan is trasa. Yeah, the deeper quatrasa montuab, Mumbisana some Obit Sam Georgia Cottonasi, and Rami had the other side of me work for them a jive because he was so stupid. This is the time I say whitewashing Nanado. I find the Nanado who I kono. Na onim, na MPP, I find markets, na unim. Say na Akufado abani din sem fun okrom ha. You can't some choma muntie. You didn't know? Enti unim. Say Akufado. Oti wasa na eba di trimu a bam. Ose kwache Captain Smart. Enye dama na yeden. Akufado aban otu wasa pagam yesi yi levy enu na ma me chairman Eric Yami cheka say hey Paris le toda utu onfo a omutie wa wasa fire markets eni sa akwa bi na bre wo bra wa bre anodo bra wa bre
kama kunya no de city so
really? Maybe behave to say maggots. And you guys don't want us to talk because you think you are members of parliament. Rubbish. Members of parliament for the way. I am to here. Your constitution, no. Any UK, any America, constitution, they pet. And a near money, maybe womb. What to say? UK MP onimi yansa akopa appointments committee akobu microphone ayarfo when we say US senator apai glass enye jimia when we say US MP akopai glass to table
microphones.
Hey, baby, a gold one in answer na woho. You must think like gold. It's who I am no behave so I boa. And baby, I yet do no mem han wo mutim you. Ye ni adaji wo bia ho afa ni ye be kokro wo. No. It ain't gonna happen. She on my fair to say Ghana. Sam George ete and the data nebo me ni part of the Facebook me I don't even check, but the last time I saw data fee MTN ho 18th January yay me saw 1,400 Ghana cedis Sunday ye twa me yes me from account manager me dey postpaid My friend account manager Nesina. As a captain yourself, we have to do usage analysis to check who is using with you. I wanted to hear how Sam George is going to make sure, say, data na for use our London, data na use America, when we use Germany, France, Luxembourg, the same way that me met me use Sadia Beya means say sika. Na Sam George to her, na yakwafa Sam George ni post 2023. Asama Sam George Troy, useless and rubbish. What has that got to do with me? John Mahama me communications minister. On my data na and conform me Facebook no ne buone nyafo. Na Sam George to na fe na ye bisa say what bibi about that na what rubbish. The thing is appointments committee. You are to vet. Vetting means that secure, maintain, sustain, uphold, and make sure that the person na ya boni dino say on some machine the person is capable. Useless party politics. You can't see, hey, yeah, mobi anti ase. Mo fa so, me for bia ho. Me ti asa no, me for bia ho. Ghana pe, e na me fa ho. Me for bia ho. Me mami owo me agi, me head fine. Owu a mesie ni fine. Me papa owo me head fine. Owu a mesie ni fine. Ba me ti wei, me sheda am fa omo ho saa. If I Ghana ho, I'm telling you. Me money go school wunima. I'm so daddy. We are going to nam so nyame. I'll come and visit you. So don't tell me that. You do your Ghana and then I know you also not come. You help him to do his Ghana. You really see omumbu ade. Share. Sanka Obi and the Bora Parliament and our Tam MP spectacle and our touching ya. Hey, by now, police fokutano. Aya dam, aya yaria. Antibi, Antiama, forgive me this morning. Where Jimmy? Anka by now, Sani Nima. Nima police station, I could find a chibi 37th time. I hold you kind of me coin. Because I need myself. Ah, really? These guys are not thinkers. Which one are Quabrania be any ho? As I do your pequodwadi. And he say, I want to put it to you. Put it to who? Is that a court of law? But Sam George, me say me supply Ukosia for 1 year. Kosia Sam George bedi 1 year. Me say Sam George, bra. Who the back no? Here oye. Fantini catch other wapon man no more. It has say. It has say who? Wapon no. Ma me no pon no more. Say. Any anamo. Wa wona anamo. Oh, pop man anamo. Embeleze today. Hey, boy, embelo. Belle. Hey, this way. All right, Bella. Oh. This is appalling. But anyway, on a more serious note and with the greatest respect to them, I think that they should begin to think. They should start thinking. You see, these guys should start thinking. It does not make sense anywhere. And you see, Hey. And Ghana for baby a yedro no ho and it said as I say Ghana for tia say and you be an assessor to abaman so kodi MPO. I keep saying this and I keep telling you, sir, anytime you have a new position, you must reposition yourself. Anytime, any day, anywhere.